In the very beginning, we were printing wallpaper out of our living room using a small Epson printer. It was fine, but we quickly outgrew it.
And we decided to make a next step.
Our LexJet representative Terry was very helpful, helping us make a decision on what machines would be good for us.
They were running a 24-inch aqueous Epson printer, right? And they knew that they had maximized what that could produce for them locally. We invited them to our LexJet Experience Center for a hands-on demo. After we figured out what types of media they wanted to use for their wall coverings, we started exploring options like the resin printer.
Firstly, we were looking for non-toxic inks because our customers use our wallpaper mainly in apartments, so in bedrooms or a kid's room. Secondly, we were looking for high printing quality, high resolution, and we were looking for color consistency.
When we print 50 wallpaper panels,
we need the same color shade on the first panel and the last panel.
You won't believe it, but it's the most difficult color, it's beige. Because the same color would look different in the different materials.
So much of what we print uses beiges and neutral tones, so that was very important.
we decided to go with the Epson SureColor R5070. We bought 3 of them. The price per square feet is much better now.
In addition to peel and stick, we added traditional Type 2 vinyls, so we get new customers, contractors, commercial spaces. They usually use
I also buy the extended warranty.
because we need our printers running all the time. All our 3 printers, they work every day, like 10 hours a day. And I have extended warranty for all printers, and I buy it always through LexJet. We just need to change inks and continue working.
After the printers came, LexJet customer service was very helpful.
We were printing on new woven paper.
And couldn't match the colors. It was a very urgent question, and I called
Technical support, and Michael Clementi, he helped me over the phone to
customize the colors and make a new ICC profile. Our industry is very competitive, and we have a lot of deadlines for nurseries because she is pregnant, she needs it to do it as soon as possible, and we need to make it in a very high resolution. Epson SureColor was the best choice for us overall because
it checked all of the boxes. Soon we will be ready to expand our business again.
in any case we will buy it from LexJet.